I want to do a comparison video of the two seats for this bike right here. So this is the second seat that I got. It's mostly firm, and you can see there's just some kind of padding on it. Not really memory foam. This is how it looks like from the side. This is how this one looks like from the side. They're same mostly, but this one comes with a clamp that you put on this bar right here. This seat only came with the seat. You have to buy the clamp separately. This is gel-like, so you have a very comfortable, soft ride, especially on the bumps. This one has a ventilated seat, and this one has a smaller one. Back comparison. This is a good size for your tushy. This is more of a sporter design. But yeah, there you have it. Also wanted to mention that these are not ventilated. They're just like a cut design. There's no ventilation in that one. Overall, two great seats, but this one is much more softer.